Kids Big News!
Hi guys, welcome to Kids Big News. My name's Kairezze. On today's programme we have Libby's Nature Trail, Annie's Number Food and an update on the capital. But first, let's have an update on the capital. The lockdown is due to end on the 2nd of December. That means restaurant, leisure and shops will be open. Yay, thank goodness my swimming classes will be open. But we'll keep you updated on that. Now, in Oxford a vaccine has been found, but they're still testing it. Now let's head over to Libby's Nature Trail. Hi guys, welcome to Libby's Nature Trail. Today we're going to be doing some facts on autumn. Fact number 1. In autumn the days get shorter and there's less sunlight. Fact number 2. Loads of animals hibernate just like squirrels. Fact number 3. Look at all these leaves that have fallen down. But there's still more to go. So guys, I'm going to pick some leaves to do an autumn picture. Ooh, look at this one. This looks so beautiful and I actually like the back. And look at this brown yellow one. Looks very hard. Guys, I've got my leaves now. Now let's do my picture. Oh, and first I'm going to put some food in for the squirrels.
One eternity later.
I finished now. So quiet. Squirrel eat the last item. Wow. Guys, I'm going to be making an autumn picture. I've got my leaves. And all you need is a frame, a paper, if you don't have a frame, glue, a pencil, and a few colours. Let's go. Now I'm going to draw my tree on a frame. I've drawn the bark of my tree and I've coloured it brown. Now let's stick the leaves on. Guys, I've stuck all my leaves on. Are you ready to see it? I really like it. I really like it. It looks very cute. See you soon. Bye. Thanks, Libby. I love the colour of different autumn leaves. Now let's head over to Annie's Number Food.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Annie's Number Food. Today I'm going to be doing 7, 8, 9. Let's go. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, Annie. Now guys, remember, it's almost December, so that means it's almost Christmas. Yay! So guys, don't forget to hit the button and subscribe, and when it's Christmas, we'll be doing more fun activities. Remember to stay safe and have hope in whatever you do. See you next time. Bye!
Kids Big News. Kids Big News. Kids Big News. Kids Big News.